Here's how to add a whisper-powered voice feedback form to your app or website in 2 minutes. So users can tell you exactly what they want in their own natural language. It also has GPT-powered follow-up questions. So it will ask them a follow-up question right after their voice input, and they don't have to type anything.
Okay, so now we are in the Superforms dashboard, and I'm going to show you how to make a form. Now, we're going to make a form and embed it on our Replit site in 2 minutes. It's super easy. Let me show you. Right here, you can make a web link to share it anywhere. Instagram, ads, email blast, text messages. This example that we're going to do today is the web embed. So it's a native embed in your Replit app. So suggest a feature. You can also write your own here, any question, and put on multiple pages in your project. So this is for the home screen, the suggest a feature. You just click create form, get embed code, and boom, you're here. Okay, so here is where you will have all your responses, and you just copy the embed code. Now, first, I want to show you this. Add custom AI prompt. You can add a custom AI prompt to customize the follow-up responses to the initial feature suggestion or feedback. So you have whisper input with voice input in your app, and then you have follow-up questions to ask them another question, which is like a follow-up user interview. So you have these mini user interviews right inside of your product that just ask users exactly what they want in their own natural language. So here you can connect to Slack also to send all these responses to Slack, and you'll see all the responses below. So we made this now. Embed on your website. We're going to click this, go over to Replit. Here's our mock project over here. You can see this is a TikTok hooks generator idea. I added a button here already, but if you don't have a button, just ask Replit to add a feedback button wherever you see fit. And then you just literally say, add this code to my feature suggestion button. So you've copied that code from your dashboard over here and you paste it. Let it think for a second and add the form. Perfect. So it's added and now it's live in your project. So let's test it. Now so this is a viral TikTok hooks idea concept. And so the users might have a feature suggestion, something like, boom, there it is. Hey, I was wondering, what about Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts? Can you add a feature for both of those also using voice input here? And as you can see, it's thinking, and boom, follow-up question about that specific feature. So it's going to ask them a follow-up question. And again, you can customize this with your AI prompt. You can generate a prompt to customize this to your app or your business. And so they can type if they want to, but I'll just say, actually, I would like a photo grid in the middle of the screen with all of the hooks over iPhones. Exactly. So you have a follow-up response here, and it will ask them a question to get more detail out of them. So you have this mini user interview right inside of your app that it's super easy for users. And when they're done, they just click away. So they go back to your Superforms here, and as you can see, you'll have the responses come in, and they'll show up here, and it'll actually generate a summary, and you're done. That's it.
The tool that I use is linked below. It's called Superforms, and it's the easiest way to get product feedback. If you have a lot of projects, it's perfect for you. Check it out below.